we'll guide you through how to connect a Netlify database. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Netlify website. Sign in to your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. From there, click on the Sites tab at the top of the page. Choose the site you want to connect to a database. After selecting your site, look for the Site Settings option on the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find Build and Deploy, and then click on Environment Variables. You'll need to set up environment variables that your site can use to connect to your database. Click on the New Variable button and start by entering your database URL. This is usually provided by your database provider. Type in a name for this variable, like database URL, and paste the database URL into the value field. Save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Now, you'll need to ensure that your site's code is configured to use this environment variable. This often involves updating your backend code to read the database URL from the environment variables. Ensure your code uses process.env.databaseURL or a similar command, depending on your programming language. Once everything is set, go back to your site dashboard and click Deploys to trigger a new deployment. This will apply the changes you've made. Keep an eye on the deployment logs to confirm that everything is working correctly. If there are any errors, double-check your environment variables and code configuration. With these steps, your site should now be connected to your Netlify database. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.